Hello everyone and welcome to another episode on SuperNegotiate, and this will be a super quick episode. Today I'm going to talk about three bias or three limitations in negotiation that I have seen even most experienced procurement people falling prey to. Let's get started. The first one is called information bias. You would see the suppliers will start with presentations, and often vivid, colorful presentations. They will put bolds, italics, all sort of highlighters are used to stress upon a certain kind of information. Very cleverly, it is a tactic to shift the focus from the most important point to a less important point, because the vivid and the colorful highlighters tend to sway the information discussion into a particular direction. So always pay attention to what not is being highlighted rather than what is being submitted on the presentation. That is why in every negotiation I like to drive my own agenda rather than listening to supplier presentations. That's one. The second one is called winner's curse or buyer's curse. It usually starts when supplier agrees to your demand way too quickly, and then you are left pondering over, have I missed something? Is my counter price was way too high and I have left savings on the table? Now this behavior becomes really apparent even in reverse auctions, where the reverse auction finishes too quickly and you achieve your cost target. And I have seen buyers figuring it out, have left something on the table because the negotiation was too easy. Often this happens when the buyers are less prepared. So always do your homework for every negotiation. And the third one is what I call is overvaluation or devaluation. What do I mean by this buzzword? Basically, I have my own bias or perception before walking into the negotiation. I tend to value certain factors which my supplier think is not really significant. Now, this may sway me to focus on some of the factors which are easily achievable. Let me give you an example. If I'm negotiating with a supplier and the supplier is pitching me something, if it doesn't fit into my value system, I will tend to devalue everything that the other party is saying. I will begin saying, no, whatever you're saying is wrong. Whatever you're saying, your facts are incorrect. You don't understand what's going out into the market. Now, this is where the supplier gets hold of the situation that probably the buyer is into a zone where it's just disagreeing with everything, and that becomes a predictable behavior. What my value system says, never be predictable in every negotiation or in any negotiation. And these are the three cognitive biases that I have seen even the most experienced people falling prey to. My name is Gaurav, and thank you for watching this really quick video on how to negotiate better with SuperNegotiate. I'll see you in the next one.